Hey guys, this is Jeff from Fantom Teardrops. Wanted to go over a tutorial with you guys showing you how to hook up your solar panel and get ready for your camping trip. What we do, we hook up the shore power to the garage or at your house and turn on your battery switch. That'll charge your battery through the system. And then when you're going down the road, your vehicle will charge your battery if you got a 7-pin connector. And I usually turn on the solar panel. Yeah, you turn on your battery switch up there at your box, and then you hook up your solar panel to your hatch. And then it's got legs, like we're in the shade. Just turn these knobs, and it's got legs underneath, so you can prop it up in the sun, and it comes with a 15-foot drop cord too. And then when you got it all hooked up, it should have your voltage, what your battery is, your intake. It's got a little arrow there that shows your solar panel charging your battery. And that's it on the solar. And this time we're going to hook up your shore power and your water and show you how to drain everything and what tub we use to drain your gray water. So you got a little thing there, and it's got a little notch in your cord. So when you stick your cord in, twist it, and then you can turn it and tighten it up there. And then your water, your campground water, just hook up right there. And then just turn on your water on your campground. And then we use a 7-gallon container for our sink water. And what I did, I just cut a water hose. It just screws onto that. And this is just for your sink water. And then when it gets full, just take it to your dump station and dump it out. And when you got your water hooked up and everything, just if you got the hot water heater, open the door and turn on your gas, and then that's it. I mean, when you turn on your water in your sink, it automatically light and cut off. And it's got 2 D batteries that's in this little compartment there. That's for your igniter. And you got a little valve here, so when you get done camping, you can turn that and water will come out if it's got any water in there to drain your tank. Now we're going to go over how do we drain the system and everything and get ready for winterizing. What we do is turn your water off at your hydrant, undo your water hose from your camper. And then what you always do, if you run your hot water heater, just turn your shower on. And we always do, just leave it sitting on a high area where the gravity drop your water out. And I put 2 valves underneath the camper here. You can see one's for hot, one's for cold. You can open those up. And I always just leave those open, like when you're going down the road, jarring, the road and stuff. It usually drains all of your water. And if you got water in your holding tank, like if you're boondocking, I always open up those valves and turn your pump on, and you can see it'll still drain out of your holding tank. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, just call us at the shop, 706-529-4893, or email us at fantomteardrops@gmail.com. Be looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.